Welcome back, friends. While on the other hand the Iranian chilo kebabs are being baked, I am sharing the recipe of sweet peas and dill rice to go with them, or to go with any kebab, or you can make it anytime. The ingredients which we need are rice. Naturally, I have used this mug and it's 2.5 mugs of rice. They are pre-soaked. You can soak them in water for 40 minutes to an hour. Among the dry spices, we have 1 teaspoon heaped of white cumin seeds, 1 black cardamom, a piece of cinnamon stick. Then we have 3 cloves, 5 whole black pepper, and some bay leaves. We also have 3 green chilies. Over here I have 1 medium onion sliced, 2 medium tomatoes pureed. We will need 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Over here I have 1 cup of chicken stock. While I was making another recipe, if you don't have it, it's not a problem. And then I have 1 cup of sweet peas, and I also got these dill weed from the Mediterranean store. You can also use the fresh dill, but I like the taste of this and it's convenient, so I have this. In a pot, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of oil. In 1/4 cups of oil, we will add the white cumin seeds and all the dry spices. I took 1 bay leaf and then cut it into small pieces. We will save the green chilies for later on. We will fry them. Adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to it. After frying the ginger garlic paste for a minute, then I'm going to add the pureed tomatoes to the pot and cook it on medium-high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, we can see that the tomatoes are all tender and the onion still looks a little raw, but yeah, getting along. So at this point, I'm going to add 1 cup of sweet peas. We are cooking this on medium-high flame. I'm going to add the water. As I have 2.5 mugs of this rice, so I'm using the same mug for the measurement and adding 4.5 cups of water. Now I'm increasing the flame, the heat to high 1, and I'm gonna add 3.5 more cups of water. So I have added 3.5 mugs of water, and I have the chicken stock from previous recipe which I have saved, and it is equal to 1 mug or 1 cup. So I'm adding this. You can add just the water, so it really doesn't matter. I'm using it. It will just add a little bit more flavor to the pulao or the rice dish. So altogether we have added 4.5 measuring cups of water. We will also add salt to it. Usually if I'm taking 2 cups of rice, I usually like to add 2 teaspoons of salt, but it really depends on how you like it. I am going to add 2.5 teaspoons of salt because I have 2.5 cups or mugs of rice. So adding the salt. And then you can always start with salt and then taste it. It's always a good idea to start with less, so if you really need it, you can add more later on. Now we will wait for the water to boil before adding the rice to it. And now over here, the water is boiling. Lower down the temperature, and we have to take all the water out of this rice. this point, after adding the rice, and we will wait water to boil along with the rice. So at this point, have a look. Once you add the rice to the boiling water, you will add fresh dill or these preserved, the dried ones. So in 2.5 cups of rice, I'm adding 3 tablespoons heaped of dill. I've added, mix them. Do taste the salt. See if you and your family, you guys need more salt. This is the time you can add salt to it. And now just let everything cook together. That's it. Now let's have a look at the kebabs to go with them. Oh, nice. These chicken kebabs are done. So we will wait for our rice to be done and then we will take them out. So these are done. Over here, I'm going to add the green chilies. So the green chilies went into, and now we will just wait for 2 more minutes for them to cook on high flame. Hi friends, so at this point, have a look here. The water, majority of the water has evaporated. I'm going to add something underneath the pot, put it there, and then cover it. Before covering, this is really optional. If you like some color to add, you can add it. I'm just adding this yellow color to the pulao, and on top of it, we will add this, the fried onions which we just saved. We will just decorate this, and I'm just gonna cover it and let it cook on the low flame for 5 minutes or until all the rice looks cooked and ready to be served. So after 5 minutes, let's have a look. We have to check that if the rice are done, and if you feel that they're still hard or they're not soft enough, add some water. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of water to it. Cover it and let it cook on simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes. So dear friends, I think the rice are done. Ooh, look at the steam. Making a plate for myself. Wow. So dear friends, this is ready. The CHELO kebab, Iranian kebabs with dill and sweet peas rice. This is so delicious. You all have to give it a try very soon. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Give this recipe a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. And till next time, take good care. And kindly don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye. Love you all.